YouTube? Back in another YouTube video, boys and girls, and today is just another work day. I mean, just as the title says, work day, woo woo. Anyways, no, I'm just kidding. So, it's after the video, by the way, and it's just, we did basically tree work, and it's pretty cool. I mean, we did a Pac-Man cut. First time ever doing it personally, or watching do it personally. But other than that, let's just get into the video, have fun. I hope y'all enjoy it, and I'll see y'all after.